Hello everyone, welcome this week to Parashat Terumah, where we read the first of the two parashiot that deal with the topic of the construction, or at least the groundwork for the construction and the plans of the Mishkan, of the tabernacle. Among many of the objects that were to be built in the Mishkan, many of them were made of gold or overlaid in gold or were made of pure gold. The truth is that with the exception of one item, if there was no gold available, they could use, in theory, a different material. It didn't happen, but they could have in theory. The exception would be the kruvim, the cherubs with the child's faces on these objects, which sat above the aron, above the ark, that held the luchot, it held the Ten Commandments. Those cherubs needed to be made of gold no matter what. Question is asked, like, why? Why, of all things, did those have to remain only gold? The cherubs, the kruvim, were the faces of children. They're to remind us of two very important things. Number one, the children themselves, and number two, they were sitting on the luchot. Luchot and the ark, the ark itself, the aron, represented education, Torah education. So the message of the fact that the faces of not just the faces, but the actual kruvim had to always be made of gold no matter what, is really sending us a double message. On the one hand, our youth, our children of all ages, no matter where they are in life, no matter what they are doing, no matter how close or distant they might be from Torah, are gold. They're special to us and to Hashem. And secondly, that when it comes to the education of our children, we really should not spare any expense. We should always strive to have the proper institutions for our children, the proper teachers for our children, the proper environment for our children, because after all, they really are gold. Shabbat Shalom.